In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GTD dashboard in Notion. Getting Things Done, or GTD, is a simple framework for capturing tasks, organizing next actions, and keeping your projects moving. Notion makes this easy with a ready-made template, and I'll walk you through how to add it to your workspace in just a few clicks. First, open Notion and head to your profile menu. You'll usually find your avatar or initials at the top of the left sidebar. Click it to open the account and workspace options. This is where Notion keeps quick access to settings, import tools, and the template gallery. Next, choose Templates from that menu. The template gallery will open, showing collections you can browse. This area is the fastest way to install pre-built systems without starting from scratch. If the gallery appears in a pop-up or a full-page view, don't worry, the next steps are the same. In the gallery, use the search field and type GTD. The search is case-insensitive, so lowercase works fine. This filters the results to anything related to the GTD method. If you don't see anything right away, give it a second to load or try clearing the search and typing again. From the results, look for the template titled My Getting Things Done, GTD, for Notion. Click it to open the preview. Here you can scroll through to see what's included. You'll typically find sections for capturing ideas, organizing next actions by context, and linking tasks to projects. The preview is a great way to confirm that the structure matches the way you like to work. When you're ready, click Add. Notion will duplicate the template into your workspace. If you have more than one workspace, you may be asked which one to add it to. Choose the place where you manage your tasks. After a moment, you'll see the new GTD page appear in your sidebar. It's now fully yours to use and adapt. A few quick tips as you get started. If the page doesn't show up immediately, refresh the app or collapse and expand the sidebar. You can open the template and scan the databases and views to understand how items flow from capture to next actions to completed. Even without changing anything, you can begin by adding a few tasks to see how the dashboard updates. And that's it. You clicked your profile, opened the template gallery, searched for GTD, selected the GTD template, and clicked Add. You now have a centralized dashboard in Notion to capture, clarify, and execute with confidence.